Hey guys, it's Fabio here. This is my boyfriend Yani, and we're back with another video.
Today's video, we're gonna be rating. What are we rating?
I don't know.
Let's read our followers.
Oh, okay.
So today's video, we're gonna be rating our followers because you
my
guys love it, and we saw one of the comments who suggested this, and now we're finally doing it. I'm so excited.
Oh my god.
So we created a poll in our YouTube channels.
These guys I'm so excited about because I got so many messages on Instagram the first day that Yani posted the poll, and I was like, what is this? I didn't even know what it was.
Yeah.
And then I realized because we talk sometimes.
So this is my YouTube channel, right? What you're gonna do is subscribe, and then you go here, community page, and that's where all the polls are posted. So we ask you if you want us to do some challenges. We ask you if we should. So here it is. All you guys commented.
Oh my god, there are so many.
There's so many. We might not be able to go through all of them.
Okay, let's do it.
Good morning, by the way. We're having our coffee again. Thank you for all the new subscribers, and thank you for all your support.
Yeah, welcome to the family, guys.
Before we begin, you know the drill, guys. Make sure to just subscribe.
And that's it. And watch these videos. Guys,
Follow us on Instagram as well. Send us DMs, all the dick pics, and
guys, if you want to know more about us, go back in our videos because we do a lot of vlogs. We've been vlogging for a year. We've been doing a lot of challenges and fun stuff. So go back to the previous videos and check them out.
okay. So before squish. Okay, guys. So this is Fabio's Instagram.
Let's scroll it together.
Scrolling. Go ahead, follow it. So the first one that I saw is, I think this one is Levis Pionelia Leon _04.
Oh,
So we'll see.
I'm nervous. I don't know.
Subscribe.
Why. I'm so nervous.
Wait, if your Instagram are private,
Guys, don't you even try.
don't
you try.
What's the point if it's private? Then we have to follow you, and we have to wait for you to accept our follow. It's gonna take forever, and this video is gonna be over by then.
Yes.
Anyway, okay, there she is.
Leon. Oh,
Lean.
nice name.
Lean muscle.
Oh, he's not private.
Oh my gosh, that's so cute. I actually like this video.
I know, I love
Let's
it.
see. So this is a good way to know who our followers are.
That's true because we don't know you guys.
I know.
very well.
I'm so excited.
So we see that Leon captions Isaiah. Sorry,
Fabio.
For me is Isaiah, so
Okay.
I don't know.
Isaiah 43:2. When you go through deep waters, I'll be with you.
Gender equality.
I don't think that's
Nice.
included, but when you go through deep waters, I'll be with you. Oh, that's a nice verse.
His profile
That's so
picture looks
cute.
very nice. Let's see him.
That's
It
so
looks like his
nice.
profile is pretty fresh. He has 33 posts. So let's go through the first video.
Let's see if this one is Mr. and Miss UN. I think
Oh.
in United Nation.
Yeah.
UN. Wait, is that him? Did he
Oh.
attend? Or is that only his friend?
I think it's him too.
What country is this? Belgium?
It is-
Amsterdam.
it is
the
he-
Netherlands.
Ik ben moe vrouw. Prinses Jamie Tawingan.
Goedemiddag, ik maam je voor Lian Antonio Pionilla.
Leon.
Oh, Leon.
We were the Chen, Netherlands.
Oh,
Wow. They practice the language. Damn.
Alright.
This
He's-
photo deserves a like.
He's
Wow.
posing. I see your true
Oh, you know, I
colors
gotta sing this.
shining through.
You know, I
no,
have to
no,
sing this.
Yani, you really don't need to.
And I see your true colors.
Thank
It's
God
so
I just
early in the
see them
morning.
and I don't.
First of all,
Gee.
this photo is fierce.
Wow, look at his face, so cute.
Fierce second, third.
Yes.
Like, he knows his angle.
Yeah, he does.
Oh, we
There
got some
go.
change of color.
Oh, true colors. That's why he's smart.
Oh, is that what it
This boy
is?
smart.
I just got it too. Thank you, Fabio. Oh my
Liam,
gosh.
you're smart.
Oh, this is creative.
Creative. Nice.
Good job,
very
Leon.
nice.
Ah, so cute. Where are you
Cute.
from? Where are you from?
And I believe you're pretty young too.
Yeah, looks like it.
course.
I can tell he's very artistic with his posts.
Yeah, he's creative.
Look at that laugh. Oh wait, what is it? University of what?
Oh, I love these flowers.
Bougainvillea. Let's see now. So now he has his lanyard. Adamson University.
There we go. Also, he's in university already?
Yeah.
Wow,
Well,
he looks a lot younger.
Yeah, we start young in the Philippines too because we finished the grade 12. Now it's grade 12 now. Wow, what's your
Amazing.
course? What's your course? This is so interesting. It's nice. It's like doing meet and greet because
I love
you
it.
know the purpose of meet and greet for YouTubers? It's to get to know the fans because you guys
Yeah.
watch us a lot and we don't really get to hang out with you and we don't know who you
Yeah.
are because you guys watch us a lot. So meet and greet is a nice way to do that. But rating your Instagram as well that we discovered is also nice. And we're done with all the posts.
Beautiful.
Next.
Well, thank you, Liam, for sharing.
Jadea Lisa or something. That's her
Alicia
Instagram.
Jade.
Alisa Jade Tagsip. It's private.
Private. Sorry, we gotta skip you.
Sorry, girl. We can't do no nothing. But her profile picture is looking fierce, though.
She is.
Okay, next one. Jean RMRS. Jean Leon Rumorosa.
Nice name.
Leon is such a very popular name, eh? Oh my
Oh.
gosh, wait, I know this person. Oh no, I don't. I thought I knew this person in the middle, but I didn't. Oh, which one is she?
Okay, let's see. So, the caption says, nothing is impossible with...
With God.
Okay, I
That's
thought
with God.
with like a
Point.
point
Where is it pointing?
of the truth.
Exactly. Don't be.
But it's like when you say, hey, it's me. I don't know. Beautiful though, beautiful caption.
No, but this photo is
Oh.
nice. That's a creative shot.
It is. Wow,
She
look at those
purposely
waves.
brought flowers to the beach just to take that photo. I would love to do that too.
Nice editing. Nice editing.
Taylor Solis time. Oh, we can see your face. Which one is she?
She's this one.
I
I'm
think
sure.
the one on the left. Oh,
the
that's
one to
so
the left.
Cute. Wait, they're siblings.
Oh.
She loves the beach.
Wow.
Take me back here, please. Where was this? Okay, they
Oh,
have a dance
there she's
performance.
dancing.
Let's see.
Okay. Oh. Formation. Girl, you got
What?
moves. Are you kidding me? She's
I'm
the one with
shocked.
yellow shorts.
I know.
Yeah, better flip this hair. Oh!
No, no joke. They're so good. They're hitting the beat.
Oh.
Like. Oh my God, they're so in sync too. Hey.
Are
Fuck
you
it up.
kidding? You know how much we love these things, right, guys?
Hey. Fuck it up. Hey.
Wow, she's quick in the movements. All of the girls.
Hey. No, like they're so, like they're hitting the beat. All like a good dancer should. They're hitting the beat.
Yeah, there we go. Surprise.
Hey, Miss Carter. I love Beyonce. I'm a huge Beyonce fan, by the way.
Wow, that was so
Oh my
cool.
God.
Nice job.
I'm shook it to the core. It's actually so good.
That's amazing.
It's actually so good.
Let's see if she speaks in that video.
Oh, it's a
Oh,
boomerang. You know how we hate
boomerang.
boomerang. it always fails us. So she's a dancer. Girl, we should do a collab. Because we're dancers.
Wow.
We're dancers too. If you go through our YouTube channel or our Instagram, we have some dance covers
yeah.
in there. There's another rehearsal. I'm obsessed
Oh,
with her
wow.
now.
I think it's the same choreography. Look.
I'm obsessed with her now. Hey, Miss Carter.
Oh, it's the sequel. Because they finished in the line earlier.
Hey. Don't say y'all.
Oh.
Like, they can. They're actually very good.
They do have
like,
some
like,
good
like,
moves
like.
right in there.
Oh my gosh, they're actually really
Nice,
good.
nice.
No, they're hitting every single accent of the
Yeah.
song. They're hitting every single beat. It's like.
Let us know how much you rehearsed for that. Because
Probably
they
a
look
lot.
very, very rehearsed.
Probably a lot.
Very, very rehearsed. Oh, she lost her earrings. She's like, oh my god. What, oh my
That's
god.
that's the I lost my earring post on Instagram. Like all the
Yes.
girls are doing that.
Oh,
Where's my earring?
pearls.
Oh, here's a selfie. Cute.
Wow. Oh,
Cool.
cool. Yeah, you are cool.
Girl,
You are
you're my
cool.
favorite Instagram so far. You can dance.
Nice job.
I love it.
Thank you for letting us rate that.
Next one is Jade Adam Cabeltes. Oh, this one's
Ooh.
artistic. This one's photographer. Like.
So let's read the caption, Yani. Good luck with that.
Oh, I know where that town is. It's called Siquijor. So
Oh.
half Siquijod non and half Hasanon? Proud
Proud
Vista.
Vista.
Oh my god, ang Bisaya to! Kumusta na, bay? Kumusta na, Jai? This is so cute. Let's
Wow,
see.
artist. Nice clouds, nice
Wow,
sky.
I want to go through all the photos. You guys know I'm a photographer too. Check out my website down below.
Or just my Instagram, because all his pictures are there.
Wonderful view for a
Wow.
great weekend. Where was this? Sim break. I don't think he's from the Philippines.
Maybe no. Because we have viewers from all over the world now. Wow, this is very cool.
It's a cool Instagram.
Geometry and
Yeah.
the sky like that. Nice color.
Wow.
You have a good eye for this.
He does.
Good.
Oh, look at that.
this.
That's nice. Colors. This is so cute. Oh, that's nice
he
too.
is very artistic.
He is
Yeah.
artistic. He got the eyes. Masterpiece pizza. I love that.
Oh.
Yep, I love
We
pizza.
love pizza.
Is that salad?
That looks like a good.
Shawarma.
No, it's a pizza, no?
Shawarma.
Oh,
Oh, cute. Oh, all these posts are so nice. If you guys want to see all photography, go follow him. Sunsets are nice. Philippines have the best sunset ever.
Very, very nice.
Oh, there's a selfie of him. Let's see him. Oh, beautiful.
Very handsome.
Look at that jawline.
But look
jawline
at
is
the
sharp.
Look at the caption. Piggy is me.
Bitch, where?
Where?
You're not even fat.
Where?
Yes.
Pose.
You
Boom.
better pose, bitch. You better be model.
Bench commercial will hire you.
Bench.
There we go. With all the other ones.
He's not. They're not gonna hire him because he's not sitting on the bench.
Oh,
Wale. Okay, let's see another one. This one is for Cian Estacio.
and we're done.
Aren't you loving these names?
I love them.
Cian M. Del Pilar. Bitch, this one's a beauty
Oh,
guru. Look at him.
Ian.
Cesar Ian, 19 years old.
Singer, folk dancer,
Journalist.
journalist, 5'4", Taurus.
I'm a Taurus too.
1999, bitch.
Bitch.
There we go.
Bitch.
Very concise caption, and he told us everything about his life already, just in that caption. I love it.
Bitch. I love the bitch. You had me at the first beach. I love him. This is like a beauty guru. Does he have a YouTube channel? I would love to follow him. Okay, let's go through it.
Ooh,
Oh,
hair.
cute. He looks like my cousin. Yes.
Wow.
Is this a filter or is this a real one?
No, it looks real.
Yes.
Yes. Wow.
Look at
he
those-
blends.
Those eyebrows are looking like the eyebrows of what's her name? The eyebrows look like the eyebrows of Andrea Brillantes.
Wow. Wow, that.
Oh wow.
Even the lips, he has very full lips.
Look, he became a man real quick. Transition.
Boom.
Beautiful. Bye.
Dude.
Kumusta bye? Hey. Hey. Yes, duck lips.
Yes.
Oh, that's a nice smile.
Nice smile. Nice smile. Oh,
He's actually cute.
very cute. Very cute.
Which university is it from?
I love those glasses. Is this a filter or
Filter,
It's...
it's a
Oh,
filter.
it's a filter.
It's deceiving now, eh?
Damn, those filters are tricking me.
Yeah.
He's giving some sexy poses
Oh
here.
shit. Okay.
Oh, nice. He's posing. Bench commercial.
Bench
She's sitting on
commercial,
a bench.
and
so-
he's sitting on a bench.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. You're hired.
That's so nice. It's
Nice.
like one of those photo shoots at the mall.
Yes.
I love it. Oh, that's a nice photo of him too.
He knows how to pose. What does he do, police?
Chucky.
Chucky.
Is he endorsed by Chucky?
Can you imagine? Oh, that's a nice pool.
That's also a nice
too.
pool. Ian. Starbucks. Oh, those are all his photos, but these are the last 3 ones.
Oh, cool.
Okay, he's actually low-key cute. Okay.
Yes, and he can be pretty even when he does random faces. Nice, I love it.
Cute. Fabio, final thoughts.
Oh, I'm loving this one, guys, because we get to know you a little bit better.
Of course, there's gonna be part 2, part 3, part 4, and part 5 because
a million, because we have so many.
there's so many. You guys like sent us a lot of things.
How many are they? Like 1,000? There are like so many. So,
Well, there were 2.7 thousand who voted. So
but let's consider that half of this will be private.
hopefully not. So we're probably gonna do, because you guys know that we talk too much and we scroll all the way to the bottom of each Instagram, so it's gonna take forever for us to go through all
Yeah.
the requests. So it's probably gonna take us around part 10 of rating your Instagram.
Yes.
So, but anyway, there's gonna be more fun videos. Comment down below what kind of videos you'd like us to do next. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe to this channel and to Fabi's channel as well. And
Thank
check
you.
out our Instagram as well. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Thank you for all the support. And
Welcome all to the family, guys.
Thank you. Yes, welcome. Thank you. Comment down below what kind of videos you'd like us to do next. Okay.
We'll see you next time.
Ciao.
Bye.
Bye.